We love gaming because it's our escape, right? But what happens when the games start changing without us? When we lose control? AI isn't just making games better, it's threatening the very soul of how games are made. And if we're not careful, it could erase everything that makes gaming special. AAA studios are already cutting dev teams in half because AI can do the work faster. Entire QA departments? Gone. Replaced by bots that test 10,000 games while you sleep. Writers? Sidelined by AI dialogue generators. But if AI controls everything, where's the magic? Where's the human spark? Are we just gonna get soulless algorithm games designed to keep us grinding forever? Next week we're diving into the first major backlash happening against AI-run gaming companies. It's bigger than you think. Gaming is changing. Fast. But we still got a choice. Stay loud. Stay real. Hit that sub. Let's fight for the games we love.